Hi you guys, welcome back to another Amber and the Truth video, and today we're doing another devotional, choosing your parents. Galatians 4:4-5. But when the fullness of the time was come, God sent forth his Son, made of a woman, made under the law, to redeem them that were under the law, that we might receive the adoptions of son. There are dozens of messianic prophecies in the Old Testament, many of them relating to the birth of Jesus Christ. From the first promise of a Savior given to Adam and Eve and recorded in Genesis 3:15, there was an eager expectation for the coming of the Lord. As time passed, first years, then centuries, and then millennia, then were still faithful people waiting and watching for his coming. Just as with everything God does, it does not happen according to man's schedule. It was only when the fullness of time was come that Jesus was born. Just as one example, events were orchestrated that literally put the world in motion as the government in Rome declared a census, which required people to return to their ancestral home to be registered. That order from an occupying foreign power was probably a source of great frustration and annoyance to the people of Israel. But it was necessary to get Mary and Joseph from Nazareth to Bethlehem so that Jesus could be born there and the prophecy would be fulfilled. God is not bound by time as we are, and he is willing to wait and work behind the scenes to bring everything together in his perfect timing. Mary and Joseph were not chosen at random or by accident. They were selected by God for the roles that they would play in Jesus' life. Both of them were descendants of Israel's kings, David. But through different lines of royal family, Joseph's ancestor had been cursed because of his evil life so that none of his descendants could ever be king. If Joseph had actually been Jesus' father, not only would Jesus have inherited a sin nature, but his ancestry would disqualify him from making the throne of David. But through his mother Mary, Jesus had a blood claimed to be the ruler of Israel. Every promise concerning Christ's coming was fulfilled to the letter. The time and the place of his birth were specified by different men prophesying decades apart in different countries. There was no way for so many details to fall into place accidentally. God was at work. The fulfilled prophecies demonstrate that Jesus truly was the Messiah and the Son of God. And the knowledge that it all happened as it was foretold give us full assurance that all the things the Bible tells us about the future and the second coming of Christ will happen just as God says they will. I want to thank you guys for listening to the devotional. Hit the like button for more. Hit the subscribe button for more. And I will see you, or you will see me next time. Bye.